Howdy do, Ben Coaton here again. Welcome back to another video. And in this video we have another unboxing. And we are unboxing, as you can tell from the title, a soft case or gig bag for one of my guitars. It's made by a company named Clearwater, and let's get to it. And there we are. Very good. Let's put that out of the way. So, while I undo this, the reason why I purchased this was because I've just started busking again, and you'll see from my previous videos a couple of my busking videos, and I'm currently using my small Taylor baby guitar, and it does the trick. However, it is a bit small for me because I'm used to using my big jumbo sized guitar. So I've got one of my other guitars out from the storage to see what that's like, but I haven't got a bag or a case for it so I can take it busking. So I've purchased this one, and we'll see what it's like. It's all very nice and shiny and new, as you would expect, and the zips seem to be very nice. There's lots of different pockets for various items, which I will fill eventually. There's even a long strap to put over your shoulder, and there's two rucksack type straps. There's a carrying handle there. There's also a carrying handle just there. There's also a carrying handle there. So there's three different carrying handles. It's very well padded, and there's also another handle stroke loop there. So thanks for watching. I will do a review on this bag, and if you come and see me busking, you will see this bag. And if you do, come and say hello and I'll play you a song. Check out my other videos, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic videos coming very soon. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.